Hi, good day. I'm Ruchit Mehta. I head the research team at SBI Funds Management. At SBI Funds Management, we have a research first approach, be it our investments into equity or fixed income securities. Research is the bedrock of all things we do. Over the years, the way research is carried out has evolved, no doubt helped by the evolution of technology. Earlier, as an analyst, I would spend a few days or weeks reading physical copies of past annual reports. As a side note, when I first joined the industry, we had to go to recycled paper vendors or your traditional rodiwalas or kabadiwalas to get your physical annual report copies. But now there are AI tools that help you fasten the process, analyze and provide a comprehensive analysis just in a matter of minutes. So while technology will always be a tool to expand the investable universe and help process large quantum of data fast, quick, but what cannot be replicated is experience and the depth of experience. Therefore, at SBI Funds Management, we have been investing behind both experienced analytical talent and in cutting-edge technological tools so that we can marry the best of both to enable us to stay ahead. We have one of the largest and most experienced investment teams, with individuals having greater than 15 years of research expertise. Even our portfolio managers actively contribute to our research process. We have been expanding beyond traditional equity or credit research to build capabilities on quantitative research, primary research, macro, ESG, and forensic capabilities. Our research process is detail-oriented and exhaustive, and it cuts across both equity and credit research. In most cases, we work jointly. It's not just about the numbers and meeting the top management. We levy great emphasis on a much wider approach. This includes meeting people in the business and the industry across the hierarchy. For example, from the front-end customer-facing store manager or the salesperson at a retail shop, to the plant head of a manufacturing company, to a product manager for an FMCG or a technology company. Across the value chain, customers, suppliers, competitors, regulators, industry bodies. We do detailed independent forensic and ESG checks, and it's only once that these checks and reviews are done is when our process moves further to what is essentially the nuts and bolts of doing the financial review, the future outlook, and then what is the valuation of the company that we are assessing. The most important aspect is then to keep repeating this exercise periodically to keep on testing the validity of our investment case. This research-backed approach enables us to build strong convictions in the investments we make, including in many instances where we own large stakes and we've been owning them for nearly a decade. Or we are the largest or the first to do a structured credit transaction with a particular corporate. We believe our research-backed process will continue to materially contribute to our investment capabilities across investment cycles. Wishing you a happy investing journey. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.